Lecture 4. Using templates to start your design. Blank pages can be overwhelming, especially if you don't have a background in design. You may wonder where to place text, which colors to use, and how to balance everything on the screen. That's where templates come in. In this lecture, we will learn how Canva's built-in templates make designing easier, faster, and more polished for beginners. Moreover, you will also learn how to find a template, open it, and personalize it to fit your content. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to understand what templates are and how they work in Canva. Search for templates based on your design goals. Customize template content to match your needs. What are Canva templates? Templates in Canva are pre-designed layouts that include a combination of text, images, colors, and visual elements. They are designed by professionals and cover nearly every type of project you can imagine, from resumes and business cards to posters and presentations. Instead of starting from a blank screen, you can begin with a layout that already looks good. You can then update the content to make it yours. This saves time and helps you avoid beginner design mistakes like poor alignment or clashing fonts. How to find templates in Canva. There are two simple ways to browse Canva's template library. First, from the home page. Here you can see, you can use the search bar in here, type in what you are looking for, such as Instagram post, event flyer, or presentation, and Canva will show you a gallery of relevant templates. This is the fastest way to get started when you already know the type of project you want to create. Second, you can click the templates option in the left hand menu in here. You can click on that. This opens up categorized collections like social media, education, marketing, and more. Each category includes hundreds of ready-to-use designs. If you're not sure exactly what you want, this is a great way to explore. Customizing a template. For example, you just write in here as online education. And you have all these templates available. You can use any of these. For example, you just want to go with this one. Click on this to customize this template. And a new tab will be opened. And the Canva will open it in the editor. You will see that every part of the design is editable. You can click on the sample text to enter your own words. For example, you can just double click that and write join us. And when you just zoom in to this one, and you can change the text as well. For example, write eduter and the website as eduter.org and zoom out, and you can change the icon as well, this icon as well. For example, you just write in here as eduter. You can drag in a new image from Canva's media library or upload one from your device. For example, you just click in here, elements, and search for education. Click on photos. For example, you just drag this picture in here and you can just resize that as well and put it in here and just change the size of that to, for example, 50. You can change colors. You can click on that and click in here, and for example, you just want to choose this one. You can click on that, and here you can see the color of text has been changed. You can select from this one as well, and here you can see swap fonts. For that, you can just click in here, go to this one, and you can choose any of these. For example, you just want to go with this one, so education from home, or you can just use any of these, this one, and you can change the size as well. You can just click in here and write 65, for example. So here you can see education from home, and you just center it in here. Remove elements you don't need. For example, you just want to remove this one, click on that, and here you can just click on that as well. That icon will be removed. And if you want to add another one, you can just go to search bar, click in here and go to graphics, and you can use any of these. For example, you just choose this one and click in here, resize that, and here you are. You just change the icon that was in here that you didn't like, and you can add anything missing. For example, you have photos, frames, videos, audio, shapes, mockups, and charts as well. So you have everything in Canva that you need for a poster or a design. Templates are flexible. They give you a structure, but you can tweak every detail. For example, if you're using a flyer template, you can adjust the size of the headline, replace the background photo, or change the color scheme to match your brand or event theme. The purpose of a template is not to be followed exactly. It's to give you a solid foundation that you can adjust to fit your content, style, and purpose. Why templates are useful? Templates are not just a shortcut. They are a safety net for beginners. They help you avoid the guesswork that often comes with trying to make something look good. A solid layout, proper spacing, and a clear design flow are already built in. All you have to do is personalize it. Templates are also great when you're on a deadline. Instead of spending an hour arranging text and images, you can spend 5 minutes editing an existing design. Since Canva has templates for almost every use case, you will have a great variety of designs and rarely run out of options. For example, imagine you have been asked to create a quick promotional post for a university event happening the next day. Rather than starting from scratch, you can search in here as event Instagram post and press enter. Pick a ready-made design you like. For example, you just want to use this one, you can click on that. Click on customize this template. Plug in your event details, change the color if needed, and download the final version. This can all be done in under 10 minutes. It's fast, easy, and looks polished, even if you're not a designer.